Hi all, welcome to our new project in Malli's Akansha, Chennai. So once we enter, here this wall behind me is a foyer entrance wall. Here we have decorated with aspare sheet. These are aspare sheets with louvers in both sides. So this gives a very antique look to the entrance area itself. So ceiling also we have provided like a alabaster sheet on the top which matches to the aspare sheet. And right corner of this living area is a TV unit. So here we have provided the storage cabinet on the corner provided with a complete floor to ceiling concept TV area which they can occupy a 75-inch TV unit. Here the back panel of the TV unit is provided with the marble finish laminate provided with the golden strips which gives a classic touch to the unit. As well as we have provided a ledge unit where the customer can keep their artifacts. Coming to the dining area, here we have the puja unit in the corner connected with a compact crockery unit. So come, let's see the puja unit. So here we have given the Om inside the puja. The shutters are finished with earthy shades and CNC carvings. So the crockery, we have a bottom spaced crockery area as well as a glass shutter with aluminum profile door where they can display the crockery items. Coming to the kitchen part, we have here a very spacious U-shaped kitchen you can all see. So the bottom part of the kitchen is finished with marble finish matte laminate as well as the wall unit and the loft is finished with acrylic shade which gives a very contemporary look to this kitchen. In kitchen, we have given a hanging ceiling with lamp finish which gives a plank look and that gives ample lighting to the kitchen. Welcome to the guest bedroom of this villa. So as the room is a very compact one, we have given a very compact sized wardrobe so that the loft is projected out. In order to conceal that, we have given with spotlights which gives an ample look to this room. Coming to the first floor, we have the lounge area. So here we have given a very minimal TV unit where they can hang the TV on the wall itself, and we have given a provision to keep the set-top box and other items on the bottom as well as little artifacts on the top. On the other side, we have given a very compact workstation where they can relaxedly sit and work. So it has a bottom part as well as the wall cabinets where they can store their books. Here comes the master bedroom of this home. So here we have a spacious floor to ceiling concept wardrobe with lacquered glass and mirror finish. The same look we try to keep on the bed back area as well. So the bed back panel we have given both sides with lacquered glass, same complements to the black color as well as the louver finish on both sides. So both sides of the bedside area is provided with the same contemporary look. The master cot, we have provided a hydraulic lift up cot where we have like ample space for storage so that we can dump the storages like bedspreads, pillows and all. And the headboard, we have given the fabric finish which has a very cozy feeling. Come, let's see the storage capacity. So here we have ample space to dump the materials like bedspreads, pillows and all. So here we have a TV cabinet where they can fix it directly on the wall, and we have given provisions to keep the storages in the bottom and ledges to keep the artifacts. Coming to the ceiling part, we have given an MDF jali work which completely complements this bedroom. Connected with the master restroom, we have a powder area here where we have a dressing unit cum mirror, so where they can store their artifacts inside. Welcome to the kids bedroom. So here we have a very spacious kids bedroom. So the color pattern provided for this bedroom is a pastel blue with an earthy shade. Coming to the storage part, we have given storage on either side of the window where their two kids have ample space to store their stuffs. And here below to the window, we have given a storage place cum seater where their kids can relaxedly sit and enjoy. Near to the restroom, we have a dresser area. So here we have given a mirror unit as well as an open shelf cabinet where they have the ample space to keep the storage as well. As it is like two girl kids, obviously they need some cosmetic storage. So this space will meet their requirement. That's all from this project. We'll come up with new ideas in a new project. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.